Namaskar, I'm Dr. Hemi and wanted to share something regarding longevity that we have been discussing about and coming across nowadays. What do we mean by longevity? When we talk about good health and good life, it's not just about the number of years that we are living. We want to have good quality, healthy, and fit years ahead of us. Nobody wants to be, weak and debilitated and not strong enough to be able to go to the washroom. It's not about I want to live till 90 and be very weak and tired in my day to day activities. It's about being healthy and strong and fit at that point of time. तभी उस चीज़ का मज़ा है, right? How can we achieve that? Of course, there is a big role of our nutrition, very big role of exercise right from day one of our life. It is not something which we want to start focusing on when we are 60 or 70, but at whatever age and whatever stage of life we are at this point of time. Yes, there is role of certain other interventions like hormone therapy which can help people with having good quality years ahead of them, especially for women who go through menopause and notice a lot of changes in their body over a period of time. The hormone decline which happens. These hormones, estrogen, progesterone, they are not just needed for reproductive health, but they are needed for good health head to toe. And these declining levels over a period of time and that sudden change which happens at the time of menopause can make a woman feel totally different compared to what she was maybe a year ago itself. So that is a time where yes, we want to discuss things out that what we can do in order to have better, healthy, good quality years ahead of us. There is also a role of certain other interventions like GLP-1 medications which can help with that weight management part so that we can avoid weight related medical issues in the long term. And please keep in mind, when we talk about any of these hormonal interventions or medications to help with longevity, they are on the basis of a good foundation with diet or nutrition and exercise. Without that good foundation, whatever kind of good quality material I use to make the building on top of that, it's not going to stay for long. So these fundamental requirements with the good nutrition and exercise right from day one of our life is something which I really cannot overemphasize. So yes, these are the areas which we help our patients with and guide and counsel them. Thank you.